Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look. It is kind of a bold look, but it's still very much soft and wearable, and I love the way it turned out. If you want to see how I got this look, let's go. Alright guys, so I did this eye just to save some time, and this eye I did the liner because I'm working with the Fenty Fly liners. And I'm using the pink shade, and let me tell you guys that what I found with this eye is that it dries quickly, and when you try to go over it, it starts to look patchy. So unfortunately, because of the kind of pencil it is, it has this rounded tip. I'm not really able to get a super precise line. However, when I apply it, I'll take my MAC 210 and I'll just kind of move the product around, but you have to work quickly with it, which is why I did the liner. And yeah, so today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Neon Palettes in pink. Ooh, look at this, look at this. Makes my nail polish look super neon. And I am going to first take this Rephr number 14 brush, which is amazing. And I'm going to take this shade here. So it's the top row. It's that shade. And I'm going to start lining the inner crease. And you can decide how low you want to take it. I wanted to take it pretty low. I saw this look, something similar on Instagram, but the girl was using blues. And again, I'm in a pink moment, so I wanted to use this. And then I saw Samantha Randaval. She did a get ready with me, and she used pink shades, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm in a pink mood. So all I'm doing is just lining the crease. This brush is amazing. It is such a great brush, and it gives you such precision. Now I'm going to take the shade right under it. Whenever I do looks like this, I can really see the difference in my eye shape. I'm going to take this Rephr, I'm sorry, this is a Wayne Goss blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this so that it doesn't look so precise. I'm going to take that first shade. I have been having so much fun playing with color and doing things that I wouldn't otherwise wear to my traditional work, because it's just a little much for my everyday job. But since I'm at home, my creative juices have just been very much active and heightened. I'm digging it. Alright guys, so this is what the finished eye looks like. I took the liner in the waterline, applied my mascara, and I blended the crease out some more and went back in with the neon pink to really add more definition, so that it wouldn't look so diffused. I still wanted to look very defined while still having this blown out effect. So just to tell you guys, today I wore the Double Wear foundation. I wear 3W2 and the Huda Beauty concealer, and then for my powder I use the medium golden in MAC mineralized skin finish. I took it back a little old school. My bronzer is the Benefit Caramel bronzer. I have really enjoyed this bronzer. I feel like it does a really nice job at making me look nice and warm. For blush today, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Love Glow palette, and I'm going to first take that gold highlighter in this palette, and I'm going to apply it to the high points of my face. I'm going to be using the Glow Cream base in this, and I'm going to use my little brush here. This is Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to take that gold highlighter and then plop it right in this inner corner. For my lips, I'm going to be using Velvet Beauty by Lisa Eldridge. I want a pink, but I don't think this is going to be enough. Here is a look with your first lip option, because I need something that's a little bit more brighter but still soft. So I'm going to pick out a gloss and then show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so I decided to go with the Sephora Plumpkin Gloss because it gives you a lot of shine and it works with the natural pigment in your lip to just kind of give you a little bit more of a flushed look, and it gives you luscious lips. So this is what the final look is, and I love the way it turned out. I love the lip, and I think it was the perfect choice for this bold but soft look because it's not over the top crazy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what some topics or tutorials you'd like to see on this channel. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.